What's up, guys? I'm back with another mini vlog. I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'm actually headed to Ross to look for me some workout hoodies. I have about 2 that I rotate between, but I'm kind of trying to build up my workout wardrobe because when I feel good at the gym, I do better, you know? But yeah, I'm just going looking for their hoodies and trying to see what I can find that's something that I might like, that's lightweight, but still get the job done. So I narrowed it down to 3 that I liked, and it was this Puma one, a brown plain one, and the black dry fit one. And I'm gonna head down here and try to find me some thick socks to walk in because thick socks always feel better. I grabbed these because I did need some more walking shoes. Went to Taco Bell for lunch for a taco supreme, and I went to the gym. I finished my mile and I headed home. For dinner, I had a Southwest salad with banana peppers, cilantro lime chicken, and I put some ranch on top. And that's my day in a nutshell, guys. Thanks for watching. Shit that only you know you poppin', yeah. You poppin', girl.